My destiny, just know that I'm giving you the best of me, to the death of me. Got the recipe to bring shit to another level, such a beast. I'm begging you to let me show you what I'm born to be. And that's a might kill him and I hug the beat. All I wanna do is rhyme and live comfortably. Tryna heal through my lyrics, hope you bumping me. From the heart I speak, do it humbly. But see, I cannot do this alone. I need you to want me to grow and get known. Know that I got this, I love to perform. My heart and everything, give life my time. To every listener, you hold my shine. My mind got no limitations, on the grind, been so patient. Now I'm begging, begging. Begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, darling. Sit back and I think how life could go. It could be gone in a flash, blink, so here I go. Gotta live a dream, if I don't, I'm only gonna sink, I know I'm dope. But what do y'all think, hanging on a hope when I'm trying to do my thing? Trying to stay afloat, life brings pain. Late night tears ignite my flame. Had to face fears and embrace my change. I was pinned down, had to break those chains. Made my sound, stayed in my lane. Sacrificed things, never did I complain. So much shit lays heavy on the brain. Just might slip, feel I'm going insane. Man, I'm begging, be glad that I stepped in. Hip-hop is my affection. Put the time in so y'all feel connection. Just a young man trying to get up out of resting. Never saw the gram, temptation crept in. But I stay straight, fuck getting arrested. My wits was tested, but I contested. They want my focus, wake 'em up like Folgers. Willpower could bench press boulders. Freeze mics, my flow be the coldest. Trying to stay strong and write these songs. Told my fam that I wouldn't take long. Sick of the struggle, now I gotta move up. Hate me, but wish me good luck. Begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, darling. Yeah, don't doubt my passion is rapping. I live it, need to be admitted to a clinic whenever I spit it. Those who doubt it, now gon' see. But I'm begging to believe it's like a homeless on the street. Since 16, this was the vision I had. Every single day I put my pen on a pad. In the center right there to get the feedback. Told them that I need that whip back. Got it down to spit crack. Now I'm gunning for the top, see what you lack. It's everything that I got, not turning back. So now I never clever with the words on my Mac. Y'all PCs freeze on contact. But it's out of my hands, leave it to the fans. Told y'all the plan, so now I'm begging, begging, begging.